Hello and welcome everyone in this YouTube channel Mausam Science. Today we are going to learn about how Earth is a huge magnet. Okay, there is a queries regarding this type of topic. Okay, is Earth a huge magnet? There are several questions regarding this. Okay, many people have asked the question. Regarding the how earth is a huge magnet and is earth a magnet. Okay, that is also a equally asked question by the people. Okay, today I'm going to solve the queries regarding how earth is a huge magnet in this video, and not only this much, how this type of magnetic field is important for the different type of plants and animals, okay, including human being who lives in earth. Okay, actually this magnetic field is equally important for us or not. Okay, we are going to discuss about that part 2 in this video. So as a whole, okay, we are going to study how this magnetic field is created in earth and what type of importance we are going to get due to this type of magnetic field. Okay, this is the main consequence and this is the main focus of our today's video. So I would like to move towards the topic right now, and please watch this video till the end to know something beautifully and clearly. I hope you will. Okay, now I would like to move towards the queries how earth is a huge magnet. If there is a question, is earth a huge magnet, the answer is yes, but I will like to justify the answer how earth is a huge magnet. Okay, but before that we need to know about earth. Inside layer is made up of three different layer, mostly, that is called a crust, mantle and core. Okay, the crust is the outermost layer where we live, okay, where the human beings live, where it is filled with the land. Okay, different type of trees, houses, buildings, okay, rivers, oceans are there in the crust. Okay, below the crust there is another layer that is called a mantle, and below mantle there is a layer that is called a core. Okay, this core is divided into two different layer, outer core and a inner core. Okay, we know about this thing. Okay, as we go down, okay, inside the earth's surface, as you think of going inside the earth's surface, there are three different layers, especially crust, mantle and core, which we have already known in our lower classes 5 or 6. If we don't know, then also we can be clear from this video. There are three different layers inside the earth, okay, and including the earth surface, that is called the crust, mantle and core. Let us divide this core into two different layers, outer core and inner core. Okay, so the magnetic properties, whatever the magnetic properties that goes on the earth surface, that is all due to the event which takes place in the outer core. Okay, it is the most important layer where we will discuss about the magnetic field of the earth. How? Okay, the main question is regarding the outer core. So now, as we think about the outer core, okay, as we before going on this, I would like to say that as we move down on the earth surface, okay, as we move inside the earth surface, the temperature increases, and the most increasingly temperature, the most higher temperature is of the inner core, and a lower temperature is of outer core, and even lower mantle, and the very much lowest temperature region is earth crust, where human being can easily stay in this earth crust. So right now I'm going to talk about the outer core. Okay, here the outer core mostly consists of the metals like iron and nickel. Iron and nickel metal are there in the molten form. Okay, molten form means due to the hot temperature, solid gets converted into liquid. Okay, it is in the liquid form. This metal are in the liquid form, because as if we heat the solid substance, it will be converted to liquid. We know about this theory. So after that, iron and nickel are in the liquid form in this region. So inner core, what about the inner core? The question may be there. Inner core is the most innermost layer of the earth. So inner core is in the solid form. How solid? Because it is of higher temperature, because it is compressed from all the region, okay, to the below. So that's why if it is compressed, then what happen, it will convert it into the solid form due to the higher pressure from all over the region. So now the molten form of metals like iron and nickel will be there in the outer core, and the inner core is the hottest region than the outer core. So as a result, this iron and nickel tries to come out from the outer core to the mantle, but it can't, because as it tries to come out, then the temperature decreases because it is going towards the mantle, okay, region. Okay, I will make here these two region. This is a inner core and this is the outer core. Okay, here the molten substance liquid form of metals are there. Okay, as it is in the liquid form, and inside the core is the most hottest. Okay, you can imagine this like a boiling water. Boiling water tries to come out, okay, as the form of bubble, but it really comes out and goes out from the surface? No, because the bubbles, as it comes out from down, it gets cooled down and again it goes down, and again if it gets more sufficient amount of heat, then it again come out in the form of bubble. So really, in that same matter, this iron and nickel which are in the molten form, that tries to come out from the surface, but here the sufficiently okay, it tries to come out from the outer core, but in the mantle, okay, this mantle region is not covered with the molten 100% molten substance, so it cannot be it cannot take the path of mantle. So it stops here, losing its heat. Okay, it goes down and again it comes out and goes down. It occurs relevantly and it occurs in everywhere, okay, every direction, coming out and going down, because coming out in the form of bubble, losing heat and going down, again coming out in the form of bubble, losing heat and going down. So in this process, okay, there is a movement of these particles, metal particle, iron and nickel, okay, which have a free electron. We know that these iron and nickel are the metal consists of free electron, and actually this is the movement of electron. Okay, it is the movement of electron. I would like to say here, it is the movement of electron from down to up and back to down. Okay, if and I have already made a video when a electron moves, okay, when a charged particle moves, then it creates a magnetic field that is justified by the Oersted discovery. I will give the video link in the I button. You can click there and get a notification. If you don't click also, okay, then I'm giving you the sufficient amount of knowledge. Okay, for the detailed one you can go there. But if the electron moves, if the charged particle moves, electron moves, then the current is produced here. Okay, that is the flow of current, and when there is a flow of current, there is the existence of a magnetic field. Now we know about this process, so let us know about a bar magnet. Okay, bar magnet have two direction, north and south. Okay, then this bar magnet creates its own magnetic field starting from north to south pole. Okay, there are many magnetic lines of force from north to south pole. This is a magnetic field of a magnet. So as a result, this a charged particle tries to come out from the surface, but it can't. So as a result, this charged particle creates a magnetic field. Okay, I would like to show here in this part. Okay, I will come to that slide later. But as we imagine, the charged particle tries to come out, but it can't. But the effect comes out as a magnetic field and it creates a magnet. Okay, earth as a magnet. So this is all the fact. Okay, how earth is a huge magnet. I hope you know that is all due to the molten amount of molten matter. Okay, metal, molten form of metal on the outer core of a earth. Okay, that is all due to this. So earth have a magnetic field. It tries to come out, but the effect is a magnetic field. So earth have this magnetic field effect. Okay, what is the proof? If you ask the proof, then if you have a magnetic compass, that always shows the north direction. Okay, north direction is always shown by the magnetic compass. How? Because earth is a magnet. Due to this magnetic field, magnetic compass works. Okay, this is the main fact. So now, after this, okay, not only this much, okay, I would like to discuss some more fact regarding this magnetic field. Okay, there are many importance of magnetic field. Okay, the importance is about the protecting atmosphere. You can see here, okay, how this magnetic field protects the earth atmosphere. Okay, I will create here magnetic field, imaginary lines. Okay, this is not a real lines, it is just the imagine, our imaginary line. Okay, because always the magnet produce our imaginary line, okay, like this north and south pole. Okay, we cannot see this, but we have seen this type of bar magnet. So as a result, how this protects our earth atmosphere. Okay, I would like to move to this fact now. Okay, how this earth atmosphere is being protected by this earth's magnetic field. So right now, we need to know about a solar wind and a solar storm. Okay, what are these solar wind and solar storm? It is not a sunlight. Okay, but we know about sun. Okay, there are many. Sun is a huge ball of fire. Okay, so some time, okay, due to some what do we call, due to some unusual condition in a sun, some type of solar flare, okay, or a solar wind gets the direction towards the earth. Okay, it separates the sun and it tries to come towards the earth. So as a result, if it tries to come towards the earth, okay, it brings it has many charged particle with it. Okay, when the solar wind comes towards the earth, it carries many types of charged particle along with it. So if it interacts with the earth magnetic field, then this magnetic field do not let it go directly on the earth's surface. So it protects the earth atmosphere, so it gives the direction to go through the poles. Okay, it is not allowing to go directly, but it allows to go through the pole. Okay, so as a result, the ionosphere, okay, of the earth atmosphere gets interact with this charged particle in the poles. So as a result, there is a formation of aurora. Okay, that is called a northern lights also in the uppermost part of earth sky in the polar region. Okay, north pole and south pole. So this aurora is known as a northern light, that is all created by the solar wind or solar storm due to the effect of the interaction between the charged particle. This aurora is seen on the poles. Okay, there if you are asked anytime what do you mean by aurora, what do you mean by northern light, it is all due to the solar storm. Okay, solar storm or solar wind. I have already told that solar wind and solar storm is not a sunlight, but it is just the particles of a sun which gets the towards the direction of earth surface. So, as a result, it protects the earth, plants and animals due to that radiation. Okay, the human being settlement may not be possible in the earth surface, so it is all possible due to this magnetic field. So, this aurora is a northern light which are enjoyed by many people. Okay, at the time of formation of aurora, many people go and set up their camp in this polar region and enjoy this type of northern light because it is deflected by the earth atmosphere, and due to the interaction with the earth ionosphere, okay, earth atmosphere, outer part of earth in the sky, okay, that forms a northern light, okay, aurora. Okay, the photo I'll show here, okay, later. And right now I'm preparing this video. Okay, right now this is called a aurora. Okay, that is called a northern light. Okay, it is enjoyed by many people as a tourist. They go and they set up the camp, they enjoy to look this type of atmospheric condition. Another is shielding and protecting from harmful radiation. Yes, I told that sun brings harmful radiation to Earth. Okay, that is all shielded and protected by these magnetic field. Okay, there may be a misconception. Okay, there may be another type of fact like a ozone layer. Okay, ozone layer protects from harmful radiation, that is true, but this type of magnetic field equally supports the ozone layer to protect. the human being directly, because human being settlement is less on the polar region. So as a result we are not getting such type of effect. And in polar region also the effect of sun is the solar flare or solar wind, okay, that is not high, because it is diverted, okay, that is energy is lost in this process. So as a result you can enjoy aurora anytime at any place if you like on the polar region. Okay, another is guiding the navigation system. Navigation system means to find out the path. Okay, many animals like birds and other animal, they find a path due to this type of magnetic field. Even if you are lost in a anywhere in the world, okay, you can get to know which direction is east, west, north, south with the help of magnetic compass, that is guiding or navigation system. Equally this type of magnetic field, okay, it is used by many birds, okay, during the time of migration. We know that bird migrate from one place to another due to the changing atmospheric condition and due to the changing climate condition. That is all due to this navigation system. They find a way to go from one place to other. Okay, this is the importance of earth magnetic field. And I would like to say about some fact regarding the earth magnetic field is that earth, we need to know about the earth, not only about earth magnetic field but its earth geographic pole, okay, pole and earth. Okay, there are two geographic pole in earth. Okay, suppose this is a north pole and this is a south pole of earth. Okay, I'm not talking about a magnet, but there are two different poles of magnet in earth too. Okay, that is called a north pole and south pole of a magnet. Okay, this is a poles of magnet and this is a poles of earth. Okay, there are two different poles in our earth. One is geographic, another is magnetic. So right now, if this is a geographic north pole of earth, then near to geographic north pole we can see the magnetic south pole. Okay, we can see the magnetic south pole. Near the geographic north pole we can see the magnetic south pole, and near the geographic south pole we can see the magnetic north pole. Okay, that is for the magnetic north. If it is a geographic south pole, okay, then we can see a magnetic north pole in this region. So there are more fact regarding this magnetic poles. Okay, magnetic poles change their direction after many years in earth. Okay, it is there is a fact that around 3 lakh years, okay, it is not a less time, around 3 lakh years. Okay, this earth magnetic poles get flipped on the other direction. Right now in the present context, okay, at the geographic north pole there is a magnetic south pole, and geographic south pole there is a magnetic north pole. But after 3 lakh years around, the geographic north pole, nearby geographic north pole there is a magnetic north pole, and near the geographic south pole there will be a magnetic south pole. Okay, please don't get confused. That means magnetic poles are not fixed at any part on the earth. It is continuously changing. How this process is possible, this continuously changing process? It is also that our earth, okay, creates this type of magnetic field. There is no any doubt till now. I hope it is clear because I am explaining that till now. And right now I would like to tell that this our earth moves in a orbit. Okay, our earth moves in orbit around the sun, and our earth equally rotates. Okay, our earth, I would like to show with this pen. Okay, I'm actually, you can see this part of a pen. Okay, this pen is actually rotating. Okay, this pen is actually rotating, and this pen is actually revolving around the sun like this. Okay, imagine this to be earth. So as a result, due to the rotation and revolution, especially due to this, the magnetic poles are flipping every year. Okay, every year the magnetic poles moves its direction by 55 kilometer. That is not a less. So as a result, around 3 lakh years, it will be completely reversed, and the geographic north pole and a magnetic north pole gets interact however they can. Okay, Geographic poles are stable, but magnetic poles, they move and they align with the geographic pole. But this is the thing. Okay, I would like to end up the video up to here. So I would like to conclude what we learned today. Okay, we have learned about how earth is a huge magnet. Okay, what this how this magnetic field is created in our earth. Okay, what is called a magnetic field, around that also gone. How this magnetic field is created, that is all due to the outer core. Okay, molten substance that goes up and down. Okay, and that creates a electric current. Okay, because there is a charge particle movement, okay, electron movement, so that creates a electric current, and that's really creates a magnetic field due to some Oersted discovery. Okay, I have made a video regarding that, you can watch, and you can watch several videos in the upper I button. Okay, and in the description below. Okay, importance of earth magnetic field: protecting atmosphere, shielding or protecting from harmful radiation, guiding navigation system. And not only that much, we have learned about geographic pole. Okay, and magnetic pole around 3 lakh years. Okay, it gets flipped, reversed. Okay, north pole, magnetic north pole will be magnetic south pole, and magnetic south pole will be magnetic north pole. And these are the fact which we studied about the magnetism. And in coming days, I will upload several videos. Okay, several laws regarding magnetism. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep supporting my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, please. I'm requesting you to share this video to the near and dear ones. Okay, and you can join my channel if you like this type of interesting fact regarding the scientific content. Okay, we'll meet again. Bye bye.